Hello, my partners, my friends, teacher. My name is Freddy Alarcón. I am from Lara, Tolima. I am 36 years old. I love the music. I like walking in the park. I am small. I am swarting. I have brown eyes. I have black hair. I am married. My wife is beautiful. I am happy with my wife. Today I see comparative adjectives. For example, there is a kitchen A. There is a kitchen B. Kitchen B is kitchen A is larger than kitchen B. Kitchen A is more luxurious than kitchen B. Kitchen B is less illuminated than kitchen A. Kitchen B is darker than kitchen A. Kitchen A is more expensive than kitchen B. It's fantastic, it's really, the house is beautiful. The kitchen A. Kitchen B is less pleasant than kitchen B. Kitchen B have fewer dishes than kitchen A. Kitchen A has more leaks than kitchen B. Kitchen B has more bottles than kitchen A. It is important the topic adjectives for different situations in the comparatives, the themes. See you later. Thank you for your attention.